Good afternoon, students. Today's topic is about be happy with your work, what you do. You may be an engineer, you may be a nurse, doctor, advocate, or any field, but should be happy with your work. So, when you're happy with your work, you get more satisfaction after the duty when you go home. This is most important. Satisfaction means you'll be happy. I have done something great for the organization, for the people, for the country. You may be a politician, MLA, or anything, any walks of life. Be honest and sincere in all duty. Be punctual. Be free from corruption, so that you can be happy person. You are enjoying the duty and work. Some people just go for the work, be late on duty, just sign and do some minor work, then taking huge salary. So that is not patriotism. That against patriotism. If you are patriotic, love your country, do your work honestly, sincerely, 8 hours, then that is most important. Don't cheat anybody with the satisfaction. When you are satisfied in your duty on duty, when you come out, your face will be genial and happy. You can smile with your friends. When you get home, you can be happy with your children and wife. So try to be honest and happy with your work. Don't be desperate. Some people are doing according to the salary and I am getting only this salary. I will do this much work. No. If you are not happy with that organization, please submit your resignation, make a move. Don't do something like lazy person. This you are doing injustice. That's what I will tell you. Whatever you are doing, not only for you, for the benefits of the nation and for the organization. If all the people are lazy in their duty on their duties, what is that? The nation will go to dogs and it will be a complete standstill for everything. So do your duty accordingly and you should get satisfaction. Cooperate with the coordinators, co-workers and staff so that you can be happy. Don't do anything independently. If you have doubt, keep in touch with your seniors and do the work without any mistakes and creating problems so that it will be a growth of the organization and growth of the entire nations. So that is my request and suggestion for the industries. Rising generation to understand. Now we are to overtake our nation. Our late President Abdul Kalam used to tell India is heading for a superpower within a few years. But that dream we have to fulfill. Because now India is fast developing in all respects. Now we have to put your effort, work hard for the development of the nation that is within based upon the youth of our nation. All the youth in India should coexist and work together for the development of a nation. That is my request. Have a nice day forever.